Okay, hello everyone. Today we'll talk about a project I made recently. Recently I have moved from Windows to Linux and Mac OS, but I still missing one thing from Windows. That's here, Microsoft Paint. The app is very easy to use and very fast for editing image and writing notes. So I really miss it in Mac OS and Linux, and I cannot find any better alternative. So I decided to make a new painting app. I call this DM Canvas. You see in the screen, I made with its electron because it can work on the 3 hours. It's just a browser runner. I know it's not good for performance, but I don't know any other technology that can do that. And I only know about Electron, so I made it with Electron. And for the app, I have the infinite canvas. I can span and make it infinite, and we have the shortcuts for writing tests. It is I press T now, and I can type the test. And when I press Shift, I can move the test, or when I press key, I can draw the. Oh, no, not working right now. Okay, let's fix that in the futures. I can move the text. I can select multiple text and move it, and I can have the lasso tools like this, and I can move the selection like that, and I can have a new feature. So it's make a new canvas. I have the cell. I have to import and export to PNG. This works, and I can save, and when I refresh it be saved and load the current. So how did I do that? I do it with Electron with some this is the file operation. I have the tile system, and will serialize and deserialize for the save file, and save space function IPC and the lot. So Electron is for working with files, and for the front end I use React. I have the debugger for showing the state. I have the multiple layer feature. Right now I can have 2 layer, and I have the text layer for typing text and I move it. I can also zoom like that, and to store all the information I have the just stand for the reference, for the layer, for the canvas, for the active layer, for the zoom, for the offset, and many things. I have the AI to make it so it's very messy, and it's my work in the future to clean up this mess. I don't use any agent because it's expensive, and I use only the free version on web. Uh, for this project, I use only ChatGPT and Quen. I don't know how to spell it, and this is what it provides to me. Uh, Prompt and pass the function and fit the function. Split it to many files so it can be easier to maintain and upgrade later. I still missing many features such as changing color, the eraser tools, and maybe it's in the frame and to the table and more tools like that. And for the main file, have the initial for the store, for the workspace, and the boolean for the workspace is ready, and when it's ready, it trigger the UFS. So many such as keyboard and sockets and keyboard listener like that, and I export every single property of the workspace and put it to the function in here inside the canvas, and I have the layer for the text is separate from the bitmap canvas like that. And the current code is very messy, but it works. So the AI did a good job here. In my opinion, AI is making the impossible thing in the past possible in right now. It's not replace what we can do, but it's made impossible thing possible. So this in my mindset, I don't like when the AI replace us to make everything, but I like it when make it a debugger and ask is about the new feature. So like that, and this is a quick report about my project. I made it for fun and for my work tools, and I can in the future can take note in this. Yes, and it will be very convenient. So that's it for today video, and thank you for watching.